Hello friends, in this video I will discuss about parametric and non-parametric test. This video is a collaborative work of the following as a course requirement in statistics in education. So let us now begin. In terms of selecting a statistical test, the most important question is, what is the main study hypothesis? In some cases, there is no hypothesis. The investigator just wants to see what is there. So, what is a parametric test? If the information about the population is completely known by means of its parameters, then statistical test is called parametric test. Example are the t-test, f-test, z-test, and ANOVA. There are also advantages and disadvantages of parametric test. First, let us talk about the advantages of parametric test. First, it doesn't require data. One of the biggest and best advantages of using parametric test is first of all that you don't need much data that could be converted in some order or format of ranks. The process of conversion is something that appears in rank format, and to be able to use a parametric test regularly, you will end up with a severe loss in precision. Second, it is quite easy to calculate them. In short, you will be able to find software much quicker so that you can calculate them fast and quick. Apart from parametric tests, there are other non-parametric tests where the distributors are quite different and they are not all that easy when it comes to testing such questions that focus related to the means and shapes of such distributions. And lastly, it provides all the necessary information. One of the biggest advantages of parametric tests is that they give you real information regarding the population, which is in terms of the confidence intervals as well as the parameters. On the other hand, the disadvantages are they aren't valid. Parametric tests are not valid when it comes to small data sets. The requirement to the populations are not still valid on the small sets of data. The requirement to the populations which are under study have the same kind of variance, and the need for such variables are being tested and have been measured at the same scale of intervals. Second, what you are studying here shall be represented through the medium itself. The best reason why you should be using a non-parametric test is that they aren't even mentioned, especially not enough. They can also do a usual test with some non-normal data, and that doesn't mean in any way that your mean would be the best way to measure if the tendency in the center for the data. Lastly, the size of the sample is always very big. This is another disadvantage of parametric test. It makes it a little difficult to carry out the whole test. Let us now move to non-parametric test. If there is no knowledge about the population or parameters, but still it is required to test the hypothesis of the population, then it is called non-parametric test. Examples are Mann-Whitney, rank sum test, Kruskal-Wallis test. Now we're coming to the advantages and disadvantages of non-parametric test. First of the advantages, it will not involve complicated sampling theory. There is no assumption made regarding the parent population. And this method is only available for nominal scale data. While on the other hand, the disadvantages are it can be applied only for nominal or ordinal scale. Non-parametric methods are not so efficient as of parametric test. No non-parametric test is available for testing the interaction in analysis of variance model. So there you go, the parametric versus non-parametric. Parametric tests are those that make assumptions about the parameters of the population distribution from which the sample is drawn. This is often the assumption that the population data are normally distributed. Non-parametric tests are distribution-free and as such can be used for non-normal variables. Usage of parametric and non-parametric statistics. Parametric statistics are more powerful for the same sample size than non-parametric statistics. Parametric statistics use continuous variables, whereas non-parametric statistics often use discrete variables. If you use parametric statistics when the data strongly diverges from the assumptions on which the parametric statistics are based, the result might lead to incorrect conclusions. Non-parametric statistics usually can be done fast and in an easy way. They are designed for smaller numbers of data and also easier to understand and to explain. For more information about this topic, just visit the following links. Thank you for watching.